Hello guys, and welcome again to a new video on Lightroom Creatives. In this video, I will be going to show you how to create the Tiara Lightroom preset on mobile. Make sure to finish the whole video and hit the like button and comment below if you find this helpful. Let's begin. First, set the contrast by 8. Highlights by -100, shadows by 49. Whites by -45. And blacks by -35. Now go to curves. Select the RGB selection and follow accordingly. Go to red and follow. Next is green. Next is blue. Click Done. Now go to color. Adjust the vibrance by -10. Saturation by -25. Now go to color mix and select red, hue by -3. Saturation by -15. Luminance by 2. Next is orange, hue by -9. Saturation by 2. And luminance by 6. Next is yellow, hue by -55. Saturation by -45. And luminance by 16. Next is green, hue by 30. Saturation by -76. And luminance by 23. Next is cyan, hue by 15. Saturation by -47. And luminance by -13. Next is blue, hue by -31. Saturation by -81. And luminance by -39. Next is violet, hue by 15. Saturation by -10. And last the purple, hue by 36. Saturation by -12. Now go to Effects. Set the clarity by -5. grain by 15. And size by 50. Now go to split toning. Adjust the hue by 253. And saturation by 13. For the shadows, set the hue by 57. And saturation by 15. Click Done. Now go to Detail. Set the sharpening by 25. Noise reduction by 15. Detail by 71. Color noise reduction by 24.
That's it, and thank you for watching this video.
Here's a quick presentation of before and after of the effects that we created.
Again guys, thank you for watching.
Here's a little present for you all. You can download this preset, link in the description below. By the way guys, please do leave a like and comment if you find this helpful. Thank you guys and have a wonderful time.